Have you ever found yourself wondering about the high electricity bills in your company? Meet John, the owner of a business who's been having sleepless nights over high energy consumption and rising bills. John's business is growing, but with growth comes high electricity usage, and he's not quite sure how to cut down on those costs. You see, when machines run, they generate heat. This heat causes the machines to work harder, using more electricity and increasing the load on the HVAC system. The HVAC system is like the lungs of your business. It breathes in air and breathes it out. But when the air it breathes in is filled with contaminants like dust and debris, it has to work harder to maintain the temperature you desire. And that means more energy consumption, resulting in higher bills. Well, John, there's a solution. It's called commercial duct cleaning. By removing dust, debris, and allergens that accumulate in the air ducts of your HVAC system, you can improve air quality, reduce fire risk, and increase energy efficiency. And according to the US Department of Energy, homeowners can cut their energy bills by as much as 20 to 30% by simply doing proper HVAC system maintenance, including air duct cleaning. So John, if you want to save on your electricity bills and optimize your HVAC system, contact Ladneck Limited. Our specialized commercial duct cleaning service in Trinidad and Tobago is NADCA certified, and our staff is equipped with the latest technology to provide quality service. I'm happy to see you took the first step towards a more energy efficient and cost-effective business.